People who are enrolling in Medicare or are already enrolled in Medicare have two very important decisions coming up in the next few weeks. That's why we are so lucky to have the local executive director of UnitedHealthcare with us, Michael Jones. So talk to us about these really important decisions coming up.
Yeah, that's right, Lillian. And like you said, this time of the year is really the most important time for those folks who are on Medicare. October 15th through December 7th is what's called the Medicare annual election period, and it's where seniors can make that choice to either keep the Medicare plan that they have or choose a new plan for the next year. And for most seniors out there, they're locked in for what's called the entire year of 2017. So that's why it's really important to focus on those things for this year.
So we know that this whole process of Medicare open enrollment can be confusing. What advice would you give our viewers?
Yes, Lillian, it really can be confusing, and I want to make sure that I focus on three things for those viewers, and that's choice, care, and experience. You want to make sure that the choice that you have this year fits you for the next year. So what is right for somebody at your church or your next door neighbor may not be the right choice for you. So look at what's available to you, like the doctors that are available or the pharmacy benefits that are available to you. Also look at the care to make sure that you're getting the right care, that you have things like dental benefits or a gym membership if that's important to you. And finally, look at the experience to make sure if the plan has resources that can take care of you, and if they're supporting you with your health care needs and have things like wellness events and things that really matter to help you live a healthier life.
So I know that y'all have a lot of resources out there that can help people make these really important healthcare decisions. Talk to me about some of those.
Sure, yeah, there's a lot of options that are out there for our folks because it really can be confusing. The first thing I want to recommend is that you go to uhcmedicareplans.com or call the number that's on your screen. It's 1-800-818-2105. There are some other things though. If you can connect to a local agent that's right here in the Birmingham area, those are great resources. You can also call Medicare at 1-800-MEDICARE or go to medicare.gov. You can do things like look at your local state health care insurance assistance plan. So look at all the different resources available to you.
So do you have any local people or local stories you can share about who all you've helped?
Right, yes, that's a great question. And one of the things that we believe in is healthcare is delivered locally. So we have nurses and other care managers who are right here in the Birmingham area, and members who are especially in Coleman and Talladega will want to look at our plans because we're going to be new in that area next year. But we have had events like last month we had a mammography event right here in Walker County. Next month we're doing one in the Jefferson County area. And we were able to help at events like these and through our calling programs, a member named Miriam. Now Miriam is a lady who knew she needed to get that mammogram, and she'd just been putting it off. So through calls through UnitedHealthcare and other programs that we offer, she was able to get that mammogram. Now one thing is that they did discover that she had breast cancer, but they caught it early enough to treat the breast cancer, and she's in remission. And so Miriam, I'm happy to say, is doing the things that she loves to do right now. She rides her bike, she walks her grandkids to the bus every morning. So through programs like these that are local to UnitedHealthcare, we really can support our members' well-being.
Well, Mr. Jones, thank you so much for joining us today. I know that you have provided some really great information and maybe even some inspiration to people watching today. And if you want to find out more information, simply call the number on your screen, or you can visit the website listed on your screen as well for much more information. I'm Lillian Lalo with CBS 42.